If you're searching for the best tire machines for your garage or shop, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 tire machines for every mechanic, focusing on performance, durability, ease of use, and value for money. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or running a busy auto shop, these picks will help you handle any tire job with confidence. All product links are listed in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 1, XKUSA INC Tire Changer Combo. The XKUSA INC Tire Changer Combo is built with a new integrated design that makes it stronger, easier to install, and far more reliable. It uses a steel pipe and duck head adapter made of thickened steel for maximum durability under heavy pressure. The aluminum alloy handle is extended for extra leverage, making tire removal effortless. This upgraded kit also reduces friction, extends service life, and makes tire changes much smoother. Designed for 16 21-inch tires, this machine is convenient, practical, and built to last. Perfect for both home and professional use. Number 2, Mayflower Wheel Changers Machine Balancer. Next up is the Mayflower 560 Tire Changer in 680 Balancer Combo, a workhorse for mechanics who need precision and power. The 560 Tire Changer offers rim clamping from 10 to 21 inches, handling wheels up to 35 inches in diameter and 12 inches wide. With a 5,600-pound bead breaker force, it makes tough jobs simple. The 680 Balancer covers rims up to 24 inches, supporting wheels as large as 44 inches in diameter and weighing up to 155 pounds. Together, they deliver professional-grade results with the convenience of a 110V setup. Number 3, Eastwood Professional Car Tire Balancer Machine. If precision is your priority, the Eastwood Professional Car Tire Balancer is a fantastic choice. This machine digitally measures and balances your tires in just 8 seconds with high accuracy. It works with rim diameters 10 to 24 inches and widths up to 20 inches, covering cars, SUVs, and trucks with ease. Trusted by both pros and hobbyists, Eastwood products come with lifetime tech support, a 1-year warranty, and the brand's long-standing reputation for quality since 1978. This is an excellent option for anyone who wants shop-level performance without breaking the bank. Number 4, XK Tire Changer. At number 4, we have the XK Manual Tire Changer, designed for safety, durability, and compatibility. It's built with a high-carbon steel frame and rust-resistant coating, making it tough enough for repeated use in both garages and busy shops. This changer handles 15 to 21-inch tires, covering most sedans, SUVs, and light vehicles. The safety lock pins and anti-slip bolts ensure smooth, secure operation every time. Easy to install and user-friendly, this machine gives you professional performance in a compact package. Number 5, XKUSA 988 Tire Changer in 680 Balancer Combo. Finally, we have the XKUSA 988 Tire Changer paired with the 680 Balancer, a powerful combo for serious mechanics. The 988 Tire Changer comes with an air bead blaster, handling wheels up to 41 inches in diameter and 12.5 inches wide. With a 2.0 horsepower motor and 2,500 kg bead brake in force, it's built for heavy-duty jobs. The 680 Balancer supports wheels up to 44 inches and balances them in just 4.7 seconds with an accuracy of +1 gram. It includes multiple balancing modes, 4 centering cones, and a quick release wing nut for speed and convenience. This combo is a shop favorite, offering professional reliability with a solid build and powerful performance. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 tire machines for every mechanic. From compact manual options to heavy-duty shop-grade combos, there's a tire machine here for every setup and budget. All the product links are listed in the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.